Welcome back to PingSunday, table tennis tutorial every Sunday. I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn a very important skill in table tennis, touch shot at the forehand to return the serve shortly. We will learn the technique of Ma Lin. He is one of the best players with amazing forehand skills. His main advantage is his serve, his forehand and service return, as he is the best penholder in the world. Why is returning serve shot very important? At the high level of table tennis, you have only two options, attack first or return shot. If you can return the ball short, then the opponent can attack the ball easily. Like this. Or like this. But if you can return it short, then it is much better. Like this. And attack first if the serve is long. Ma Lin forehand short serve return, and how to return serve with a touch shot. Let's hear Ma Lin's advice.
接发球的技术来讲，相对它是变化和这个灵活性都比较多，而且的技术里面包含了很多的就是各种接法吧。现在最多的现在一般的很多乒乓球的爱好者都知道，现在接发球都是用反手的拧。 现在是一个主体技术，像我们原来打球的时候，接发球以摆短为主，所以我可能也是因为我直板有关系，所以摆短摆的比较多。现在的接发球基本都是拧的，所以就是接发球来讲，就是根据每个人的自身的特点不一定，有的人喜欢打上旋的，可能就是拧起来比较多；有的人喜欢打下旋，可能就是摆短或戳长的会比较多一点。
So if you like to spin up the ball, then you will prefer using the backhand flick like this. Lin Yunru moved to the forehand side and used his backhand flick. However, moving around and using the backhand flick requires good footwork and a lot of practice. If you are not comfortable with this technique, then you can use the forehand touch shot to return the ball short. Like this. Three tips to receive the serve with your forehand. Number 1. You need to move forward to the table. Watch my video about the footwork pattern. Use the small taps pattern to move and put your right leg under the table. Footwork small step pattern to move toward the table. Put the right leg under the table. Tip number 2. Put your elbow above the table, and you need to be as close to the ball as possible. If you are too far, then you cannot return the ball short. Because to make it short, you need the feeling. You will guide the ball just over the net. If you are too far, then you can't guide the ball over the net. The elbow above the table. Tip number 3. The moment of contact is very important. You should hit the ball right after the first bounce, and you should hit the ball lower than the net height. Hit just after the bounce. And lower than the net height. How to practice? Even the top players like Ma Long, Wang Jujin practice the soft touch before the tournament. They want to get used to the feeling in the new environment. So you should also practice the soft touch. It will boost your level very fast. Find a partner, try to soft touch and keep the ball as short as possible. Try to play a simple game with your partner. If the ball bounces off the table, then you will lose. Practice this technique 20 minutes every day. Conclusion. Practice is the only way that you can get this feeling. And remember please my 3 best tips. Number 1. Move forward with your right leg under the table. Number 2. Put your elbow above the table and close to the ball. And number 3. Hit the ball right after the first bounce. Hit the ball lower than the net height. This is a small detail but very important, because if you hit when the ball bounces higher than the net height, it is very difficult to return it short and low. That's it for this week. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please share to your friend. Support me on Patreon if you like. Cheers! See you!